Yo, Agency Zaps. This week we're going to be talking about something I am going to be pestering everybody about for the next month, and that's TCPA one-to-one consent. Uh, yeah, this is relevant to you because you need to redo consent for 99% of your leads and customers and prospects. I would bet money on. Anyways, so this is a TCPA compliant ish form. Have a lawyer review it, but best as I can tell, this is going to be everything you need to get consent. Having all this consent up there, all this fun stuff, name, phone number, email, single select for each one, no select all, no pre-check, that's a big one. Product interest specific, so you can track what they are selecting on, and then partner communications. If you want to, you can remove this, and then this final confirmation. When that happens, we're going to grab that form submission from Gravity Forms, and then we're going to put it, where did it go? I lost it. Oh, there it is. To an Airtable. Airtable is just a really fancy spreadsheet. All it is, you can do drop downs, multi selects, all that fun stuff. I will make this available as a template for you to use. So you're going to collect all the information you just collected: a client name, email address, the status they've opted in, their consent date and timestamp, the single seller name that is you, the contact topic service they have opted in for, the method of consent, which is the page they were on, logical and topical. What did I call this? Logical and topical relevant notes. That is that partner stuff if you're going to use it. Same thing with notes, and then opt-out date that we will use later for when we are grabbing when people say reply stop to your automated SMS and MMS communications. But that's how that works. We're grabbing that. We're putting it in the Airtable here. Airtable's, like I said, really fancy spreadsheet with drop downs and opt-ins. As you can see here, that's all we did. So I am going to put this template in there, the template for you to use for Airtable. My brain is getting very tired tonight. And also the link to download this Gravity Form JSON file, which has everything in there. Enjoy, and hope this helps with the TCPA one-to-one consent challenges everybody's going to be dealing with for the next 2 months.